Welcome to the Generative AI and Legal Ethics presentation. My name is Eran Kahana. I'm an attorney at the Maslon law firm, as well as a research fellow at Stanford Law School. I also serve on the advisory board of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Law Society, where part of my duties there is advising students who are interested in entering into a legal practice that involves artificial intelligence in one capacity or another. I also serve as an adjunct professor of law at the University of Minnesota Law School, where I teach the course Artificial Intelligence and the Law, a course that I designed over more than a decade of work at Stanford. So it is something that incorporates many of the things that I've been writing about, researching, and so forth. And I will be also teaching that course again in the fall, and very excited to see the amount of receptiveness that students have given this topic. And it's a full class with a nice waiting list, and it's a good beacon for things to come in the area of artificial intelligence and the next batch of lawyers that are entering the practice and their capabilities in terms of handling the issues that come up with AI. I should mention that I'm a big fan of allowing questions to flow through as the presentation proceeds. I will do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. If I don't get to them right away, I will get to them at the conclusion or before the conclusion of the presentation. I also invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. You can feel free to email me with any questions after the fact and keep the dialogue going. This is an area that there are numerous ways to approach the discussion on, and it is something that you could spend, well more than an hour at least, probably a full day worth of presentations just on the ethics issues around generative AI. So let's take a quick look at the why, who, and the biggest takeaway of this. And one of the things that I encourage you to do as we go through this is to think about I guess I would word it, destabilizing effect